Okay.
Hi everyone, karibuni tena to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness here on Lolwe TV with your crew from Elixir Wellness Kenya. Check us out, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com, and don't forget to interact with us on the socials, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Leo tunawakaribisha kwenye our sitting room. What we're going to do today is exercises with what you've got, with what most of us have got in our living rooms, either a sofa or a plastic chair. We were going to teach you, for those of you who are not so mobile, tutawaonesha hizo, si ndio? Wase, si twende? Msijali ndasema Monday, Wednesday, Friday, later. We always start by just walking it out and warming up. Tufungue hapa and back in and back up, back in and up. And back in. And really swing those arms now. He's swimming backwards. Wide. Let's really get those legs warming up. Keep your upper body moving as well. So we're warming up the whole body as we go. Yeah? I think that beat is a bit slow. Let's go with the arms now. That's it. Really reach. That's it. Push. And up here. That's it. And out to the side. Out, front. Up, diagonally. Hey, I need a massage. There's something I'm feeling in my shoulder. Side upper. Elixir. And walk it in. All right, guys. What we're going to do today is we're going to use our chairs, what most of us have at home, to do squats. Because I know most of us don't really do squats properly, or maybe kama magoti zako ni kama zangu, they're not so good. So let's get in front of our chairs. So just for today, we're going to have different variations because it's not going to be a hard workout. So we're going to have different variations. Look at my variation for beginners and intermediate, and look at Coach Benja here for advanced level. So if you're fitter and you want a challenge, watch Coach Benja. If you're beginner, intermediate, watch me. Let's go. That's it. We're going here for 10. Mayo. 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, 10. Straight into tricep dips. what we're doing is keep yourself as close to the seat as possible, and your arms are holding on just under your bum bum. Aya. So the farther out you put your feet, the harder it is. The closer they are to you, the easier it is. Yes? So let's go. Nine and 10, and rest back on your chair. Let's walk it out here. Our rest is active rest. Coach Ben, are you forgetting? Yeah. We're going to go for leg extensions, yes? What we're going to do is sit right on the edge of your seat. And if you've got ankle weights, you want to grab them now to add a bit more weight onto it. If you've got, what's it called? Bands. If you've got resistance bands, use them. Meet the, that's what we're doing. So, we're starting here, 90 degrees, and we're not lifting our knees up. We're raising. So we're extending the knee. Yes? So we're going to do 1, 2, and then both, if you can. Right, let's go. Not on the edge of the seat. Both. Right, let's go. We're going for 10 on one side, 10 on the other. It might not look hard, but if done properly, I promise you, you will feel it. Don't raise your knee. Here. Just like that. There you go. I know I'm showing you my nice, beautiful legs from years of sports. I have many scars, but it's okay. It's my journey. Raise. Making sure that you're not raising that way. Staying here, and we're just raising there. There we go. There we go. Push. Afrofab, are you suffering? Let's turn round into push-ups, yes? We're keeping our hands as close together as possible. If you've got a sofa, don't be tempted to go wide so that we can bound those triceps, yes? Let's go. We're making plank here and pushing down. Making sure that your body is in a straight line. Don't dip your head here. Let's go, guys. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and rest. Don't forget, for the people who are more advanced, follow Coach Benja. Coach, hey, Mayo, uko nimefika wapi leo? Aya, step it. Tizi ya leo itaki makasiriko. Ya leo, polite. Ni mungwana. Aya, let's go again. Remember, we're staying as far as we can safely be from the seat. So on the edge of your seat here. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's go. Uko wapi wewe? Remember, when you get up here, squeeze up. Sit back, squeeze up. For those who want to be a bit more advanced, follow what Coach Benja is doing here. If you want to work harder, for the rest of us, let's just sit and stand. That's all we're doing today. Sit, sit, and. That's it. Afrofab, are you counting? Remember, keep your head up. And walk it out here. It's easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. Yeah? Hey. All right, guys, let's get back onto the tricep dips, please. So remember, hands just behind you here. And let's go for 10, yes? Let's go. Keep it close to the chair. So your back is almost always in contact with the back of your hands. Yes? Bonus! The games are yours. All right, let's work it out. 30 seconds here. Yeah? Higher. You can stretch those triceps because we're going to be using them again very soon. And let's get back on the seat, please. Edge of the chair. Remember again, what we're doing is 90 degrees here. Let's go. 10 consecutive ones on one leg and then 10 consecutive on the other, yes? Let's go. But you're on the edge, Kweli. Yes. You will feel the front of your legs burning kidogo, but it's okay. That's what you're supposed to be feeling. Yes. And straight up, turn round into those push-ups, please. Keeping your hands as close together as possible. Back nice and straight in plank. And let's go. Seven. Mayo. Who wrote this exercise, man? Yeah, let's rest. Don't forget, guys. We're watching me for beginner and intermediate and Coach Benja for advanced levels, yes? That's it. Good stuff. How are we feeling, guys? Walk it out. 10 seconds. We're going back to the top with a squat. Let's sit. So remember, with the squats as well, the same as the leg extensions, we're starting with a 90-degree angle here, really on the edge of our seats. And let's go. Mayo. Remember, beginner, intermediate to me. If this is too hard on the edge, sit back and really just, and if you're really at beginner level, you can use your hands again to push yourself back up. As long as you're moving, we're good. That's it. Are we there? Are we there yet? Let's walk it out. That's it. Hey. As long as you keep moving at home, remember to hydrate. It's very important to keep drinking water during the exercise and after. Yeah? 15 seconds, let's go. And then we're going back to the dips. 10 seconds, let's sit. Dips. We've just done the squats. Yeah. Right, let's go. Good stuff. Well done, guys. Well done. And bring it up. Guys, don't forget we're here on Mondays, Wednesdays, Friday morning, 5:30 a.m. Yeah? Saa zingine hitilafu ya mitambo, lakini tutakuja tu. Be patient. Aya. Let's do those push-ups now, please. Yeah? Oh, leg extension, guys. Leg extension, leg extension. Ay! I was feeling my arms telling me things. And I'm saying push-ups here. Yeah? Aya. Leg extensions, let's go. Good. Remember, we're coming back to the start, keeping that leg more or less in the same position here. So all we're doing is doing that and back. If you want, you can bring it all the way back and here, and not rest it in the middle. So beginners, Afrofab, intermediate, night atieno, and advanced, uko kwa Coach Benza. Yeah? Good. Push out and back in. Out and back in. Good. That's it. And let's go straight into the push-ups, please. Unless you're Coach Bender and you did your triceps at the same time as you were doing your leg extension. Kusha, let's go. 9 and 10, and bring it in. Let's walk it out. Hey, Coach Benza, umemwade advance. Right, guys, let's walk it out here and start our stretch, please. We've worked out the triceps a lot today, so let's start with them, yes? Show them some love. Hey, Coach Benza, yezi enda kupita hapo. Flexibility. Na utaki massage. And push it forward here. And because we've been doing push-ups, let's show those. Hatukufanya hizo, hatujafanya hizo bado. Tumefanya both. Hivi, ya scapula. Huko unafanya gani? Push here. Hands small of your back. Push out, feel it here. And this time, and turn round. And this hand, other hand. And push in. And come down, push. And bring your feet closer. And this time feet together, and if you can, hands on the ground here. Mayo! Right, bring your leg up. And push up. And back up. Next leg. Can you do Kegosho with one leg? I can. I'm probably better at it with one leg. The other one. I can still do it. I'm probably better at it. Right, guys, bring it over. and back over. Guys at home, thank you so much. I know it seemed a bit easy, but tomorrow I promise you, uku na uku, you will feel it. Thank you so much for joining us, and don't forget to join us again on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We're here on Lolwe TV, Lolwe TV Fitness, with the crew from Elixir Wellness, and you can interact with us on the socials, Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness. Asanteni sana for joining us, and see you again on the next edition. Thank you.
Okay.